What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Never Mentioned, and I'm here with Anthony and Eli. And today we're going to be doing different types of Aux Cord people.
Yeah, you ever had a situation where you sit in the car and somebody claims that they got fired for the aux, but the music tells a different story?
It happens all the time, man.
Wait, let us show you what we mean.
But first, make sure you guys stay to the very end as we have a big announcement for you guys and a big surprise. So stay to the very end of the video and we will tell you what's going on.
Let's get into it.
Alright, Eric.
Hey, yo, play some oldies.
Play some oldies.
Some oldies.
Yeah,
I'm feeling the
some oldies.
oldies. I'm feeling the
Got you
oldies.
guys. Let's get it.
Bro, what? No, bro. Oldies, bro.
Oldies?
Let me see the aux, bro. Let me see the aux, bro. What do you guys don't know?
What?
Nothing.
Alright, man. He's got the good stuff. Alright.
These days, guys. Look at this.
Alright.
People these days.
This is oldies, bro. Look, listen. Learn something. Bro,
Yeah, bro.
learn something,
It
bro.
bumps.
Man,
You
turn the
don't
oldies
know
off.
nothing,
Turn the
bro.
oldies.
I was in the middle of my shoot, bro.
Let me show you.
I can only half shoot, bro.
Let me show you the
That's
good
a layup.
music.
I-
This is
let's hear
that
it.
fire.
Y arriba yo. Contaré la historia de una famosa persona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Chona.
Yeah, bro, that was great music. Really enjoyed that.
That shit was ass, bro.
Yeah.
What do you...
I'm not gonna lie, that was really trash, bro.
Bro,
Let me show you a banger.
men's not hot.
We the fucking law. Niggas bleed different. We don't bleed different. We make bleed blood.
Let me expand your guys' music for you guys. You ain't ever.
I trust Anthony. He's got good taste.
Honestly, I'm ready for this, bro.
Hey, watch this, guys.
Yeah,
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low.
turn that crap off.
Bro, I can see you
Turn
in the
it off.
camera.
Oh,
You're
you were
jamming out
jamming.
to it right
That's
now.
not me.
You was touching your nips, bro.
He was. I saw it. It wasn't just one. It was
Bro,
two.
look, I'm looking at myself. I can
I'm
put
a-
that. Bro, you like it. You like it. I'm telling you, I know you like the song, bro.
It was alright.
I know you like this.
Let's just get in the mood a little bit.
You got one chance. Turn this off. I'm not singing this with two dudes.
Bro,
I'm not
it's-
singing this with two
Yo,
dudes.
classic though, bro.
Look. Baby, I just saw. Let me see the art.
About it?
You don't know about it?
You don't know about this.
I'm trying to know about it. I'm on it. Let's see it.
Motherfucking day, yeah, I'm on a vibe, on a vibe, on a vibe. I won't tell you twice, no. Hit from the side, from the side, yeah. They know she lied, she lied,
Yeah.
she
Hey.
lied. Pull up in the cool skirt. Yeah, she bump and skip to my love.
I'm about to play something that everyone knows and everyone loves.
Take it, bro.
Ready?
Bro, what do you guys?
Hey.
Making my way downtown.
Where's my? No. Fuck you guys.
Got it!
Everybody put your hands in the air.
What's up, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed that one. We had a fun time doing it.
Yep. Let us know in the comments who you think had the best tunes today, and also let us know what you'd like to see on our videos.
So for the special announcement you guys have all been waiting for, we're actually giving away, at 100 subscribers, an exclusive Never Mentioned hat.
Ooh.
Designed by me right there.
Ooh.
We got the skeleton hat.
Smells
with-
just like Anthony Ortiz.
We got the Never Mentioned logo on the front, which is basically a skeleton hand holding a rose, and you got the Never Mentioned on the back, so you guys can rep this. Just to enter the giveaway, all you guys are gonna do is like, subscribe, and comment which Aux user you are. And we're gonna be picking one lucky winner, and they'll get one of these hats right here.
And the winner will be announced on our next video.
Next video?
Next video.
I don't know about all that.
Alright, so we're actually going to be announcing the winner, not in the next video, but a week after we hit 100 subscribers. So,
100.
subscribe, like we said already, and we'll see you next time.
We out.